going to start by changing the filament. That'd be the color. Right here I'm at 225 Celsius. The bed is at 60 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to go ahead and retract the filament. Once I hit this button, you'll see the filament come out. I'm going to hit it twice just to be sure. Put the roll on. Okay, I've got the filament here. Go back over to here, and I'm gonna push a few through. Color starts to change. I want to make sure all of the old color's out, so I push a lot through. Grab that off the bed. This is my slicer. So I've already created the model. I'm going to import. I'm going to select the file, hit open, brings it in. I like to rotate these. .90 If I wanted multiple, I could copy and paste and then arrange them. Now I've got two. I'm just going to do one. Then over here I've got my processes. There's a whole bunch of different settings. I've got this already configured, but you do have to understand all of these various settings. And then I'm going to go down here and prepare to print. Now I've got my 3D model on the print bed. And then I hit begin printing on machine.